How to copy a TikTok caption. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can copy a TikTok caption. So first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and then simply, let's say I want to copy this caption right over here, but as you already know, you won't be able to copy the caption on your TikTok app. So what you'll have to do is simply use a third-party application or simply go to a browser. So what you'll have to do is tap on the share icon and then simply copy the link of this TikTok. Now you'll have to swipe to the left, tap on these three dots and then tap on the option copy. Now once you've done that, you will have copied the link of this TikTok. So simply go to any browser on your mobile device and then type in ssstik.io. Now you will be taken to this website where all you have to do is simply paste your link which you just copied and then tap on the option download. So you really don't need to download the video. All you have to do is simply zoom in, long press on this text, and now as you can see, you will have selected the text, and then let me simply copy this, copy, and then let's go to the comment. And then as you can see, you have successfully copied the caption on TikTok. So that is the only way on how you can copy the caption of a TikTok video. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.